Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Just Anand, and in today's video I will be showing you how to use Megapari, how to register and navigate through the application. It's a very cool application that is simple to use and very quick. So if you're not yet registered with Megapari, all you need to do is simply click on register and go by phone. So I'll leave the link to the website where you can register, then later download the mobile application for both Android and iOS. So put in your number 123, then country, currency. You can put any currency you want. I'm going to stick with Zemban Kwacha. Promo code is Buona. Promo code Buona, spot, accept and accept. So the promo code will ensure that you get 100 or rather 200% on your first deposit. So if you deposit like 200, you get back a 400 or another 200 in form of a bonus. So once you register the promo code BONA, click on the green arrow and you're done. But once you log in, simply come on menu and click on personal profile and enter your details. So you enter your personal details, your first name, surname, city. So this will ensure that you successfully get credited with a bonus when using the promo code BONA. Once you fill in your details, you'll be able to also withdraw your money and deposit money. I've already deposited the amount of money I want to be using, and for you to do so, you just click on the plus icon, which is right there, and you will be able to deposit and the money will reflect almost immediately. So with Megapari, we have so many options that you can place bets on. Like for instance, right here we have different types of sports. We have football, tennis, basketball, ice hockey, volleyball, so many sports you can pick from. We even have simulated games like esports, FIFA, Crystal, Rumble. Then here we've got Megapari games that you can play with some live casinos. I'll do a video on some of these games, how you can make money off them on Megapari. So let's go back on menu. So on menu, you can see some of the live games, sports, casino games, and customer support in case you may need them or have any questions. Then you have favorites. You can put your teams here or your favorite leagues. So let me just show you how to make a bet slip using Megapari. So let's go with a popular sport, which is football. There, so you click on that and you can see you've got two options. You've got live and you've got sports. So if you want to place on live games, that's the tab you're on. And if you want to place games that are not live, simply click on sports, and you're presented with common teams and countries. So we go to England, we have the Premier League, and we'll say click on Premier League. You can see the games when they're starting, and if you click on that particular match, you'll be faced with so many betting options. We have double chance, both teams to score. We have total, so total are the total goals. Then we have handicap, next score, correct score, and these are only for the regular bets right here, because we also have first half bets, second half bets, and also others. Let me show you the other types of bets that are there. So let's go for the game starting tomorrow. Click on the match. So we have second half, we have corners, and we have first half corners, second half corners. How many corners do you think will be there? You have yellow cards. The first thing to happen, in first 5 minutes, go yes or no. So you can see how much variety this game or this platform actually has. There are so many options for you to make your money, and I highly recommend this platform if you want to try it out or are looking for a new betting platform that you can trust and rely on. I suggest Paripesa, and remember to use the promo code BUANA. So that's basically that. So to make a bet slip, simply choose the teams you want. So let's say in the UEFA Champions League, I want this team to win. I feel they'll win. I feel this team will win. I'm going to give this team double chance 12. And I think this game might end a draw. So I'm going with the home team, the away team with no draw. So you can see my amount of money and the number of events. So if I click on bet slip, I can see 4 events having 3 odds, and all I need to do is put money, and let's put a 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and all you need to do is bet. You can either reduce it from here or increase it. So let's say just keep it at that, then let's bet. And once you place your bet, it will show that bet has been successfully been placed. Then let's say you want to share this bet slip with your friends. All you need to do is click on the 3 dotted lines, which is right there. You click on it, it will bring save bet slip, download bet slip, or create a bet slip. All you need to do is save a bet slip and copy. Press OK and paste the code to your friends. So let's say you have the code now, you want to share, or let's say you want to follow a certain bet slip but your friend has sent you a code. So you simply come on download bet slip, which is here. So click on it and enter the code, then upload, then you are done. This is your bet slip. So this is one thing. Then you have history, which is there. This history shows all your betting history that you've placed on the platform. Then you can come on menu, click on settings on your top right there, click on settings. You can withdraw from there, you can top up from there, you can enter a code, a pin for you to use the app so that no one can just use your account for malicious things. You can also request for notifications for your favorite matches that you've placed bets on. You can change the background color, proxy, and share the app. So basically this is Megapari and how to use it. It's really not complicated and it's fun to use, and I suggest you play around with it and get to learn about it on your own. Otherwise, I've told you the basics. If you may have any questions, you can simply leave them in the comments description and I'll respond. For now, I'll end here. Please remember to like and subscribe. I'll also leave the link to register in the description so you can register. Then you can also download the mobile application. Remember to use the promo code BONA to get yourself 200% of bonus on your first deposit. I wish you all the best and good luck.